What if I told you that you can generate consistent monthly income from real estate without ever fixing a toilet or dealing with tenants? That is the power of mortgage note ownership. It is how everyday investors are learning to become the bank. So what is mortgage note ownership? It is simply when you purchase the debt on a property, not the property itself. You're essentially buying the right to collect monthly payments from the borrower, just like a bank would after issuing a mortgage. These payments are secured by the real estate. So if the borrower stops paying, you have the legal rights to the property. It's a powerful way to invest, with lower maintenance and potential higher returns than being a landlord. Here's where it gets even more interesting. There are different types of notes that you can invest in. Performing notes. These are loans where the borrower is consistently making your payments on time. You collect passive income monthly and your return is predictable. It's a great option for investors who want a steady cash flow with minimum hassle. Then we have non-performing notes. These are loans where the borrower has stopped making payments. While they come with a little bit more risk, they offer the opportunity to buy it at a discount. You might negotiate the loan terms, turn it into a reperforming note, or even, in the worst case, foreclose and take control of the property. With the right strategy, this can lead to substantial upside. So whether you're looking for cash flow, capital growth, or a mix of both, mortgage notes give you options without the stress of property management. You know what? There's no tenants, no toilets, no trash, just monthly payments coming in to you, the new bank. Want to learn how it all works? Just visit our website at www.ritzelnotes.com or reach out to us and start your investment journey.